Instagram, how to add collaborator. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add collaborators on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to add collaborators on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application. Now it doesn't matter whether you have a private, a public, a professional account, you can still add collaborators. That's just a myth that people have given you. So what you want to do is you can just tap the plus icon from the bottom of the screen here and then simply go to the post tab, select a post, tap on next. Once you're done making the changes, tap on next again and you'll come to this page. Now you want to invite collaborators. Now inviting collaborators is a little bit different compared to tagging people. Inviting collaborator will post the post on all of your collaborators posts and pages as well, but tagging will only tag them. So if you want to invite someone as collaborator, tap on tag people and here you'll find the option called invite collaborators. So tap on invite collaborator option and select any of the collaborators option that you might want to actually add, and once you invite them, they'll accept it and it will also show up on your page as well as their page as well. So hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the